a dog and say wow, wow.
Yes, good job.
Then I say, look, I am a cow.
Can you say a little louder because I can't hear you? The next page. No, next page. Yes.
Can I say this loud?
Yes.
I can see a trick and say beep beep.
Good.
I can say what's it here?
Ba.
Ba ba. Look, I am a sheep.
Very good.
Oink oink, I say. I can see a pig. What's it here?
Two.
I want you to take a video for me.
Emily, you're so funny. Let's see how Jonathan finishes this book.
This one.
Emily, wait.